Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting a shortlist, 3 to 7 tasks you can complete in one focused block. Choose sticky note colors that map to priority so your eye instantly knows what matters. Once chosen, write one task per note with a single verb at the front. This reduces friction. Make sure to use clear, short phrasing and size-appropriate notes so you can stick them where you'll see them. This immediate capture step kickstarts momentum and reduces decision fatigue. Once your notes are written, organize them into a visible workflow, left to right for sequence or by time blocks on a wall or desk. For complex tasks, break the item into 2 to 5 actionable subnotes so each step is small and measurable. Make sure to mark status with simple symbols. This visual language speeds decisions and keeps you honest. Move notes as you progress. Seeing movement creates momentum, and sequencing prevents task switching that kills efficiency. When you finish a note, place it in a done zone so you can see real progress. Counting wins reinforces motivation. Periodically review the remaining notes every 25 to 60 minutes and reprioritize based on what changed, moving urgent items forward. If you get stuck, make sure to split the task into smaller actions or swap it for a quick win. This resets momentum and prevents paralysis. Finally, clear completed notes at session end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.